The straight stitch and seed stitch are very simple but useful stitches. To create the straight stitch, simply bring your needle and thread up at one end of your line and sew down to the other end. And that's it. For a long straight stitch, you want to try and keep your threads untwisted. There are a few tricks to laying your stitches flat. I glide my needle back and forth under each stitch just before it's pulled taut to unwind any threads. It takes a little practice and patience, but the smooth lines are worth the extra effort. Over here we have the decorative seed stitch, which is simply a series of straight stitches meant to look like seeds, hence the name. Up at one end and back down at the other. And repeat till you have sewn all of your seeds. And that's a straight stitch and seed stitch. To finish, you can either tie a knot in the back of your fabric or weave your thread back and forth through the back of your stitches to secure your thread. For more stitch tutorials, please click to subscribe to my channel and visit embroideryandsage.com for fun, modern DIY embroidery kits that you can make at home. Happy stitching!